مرحبا الصف الأول. كيف حالكم؟ I hope you enjoyed your holiday. What? Why Mr. Short is kissing the dog? You will know that later. Let's talk about today. اليوم, today is الأحد, Sunday, 19/4/2020. Arabic lesson overview. At the end of our Arabic lesson for today, we expect you, our lovely students, to be able to say the K sound with short vowels. To achieve your target, choose the level that you want to work at. Are you going to read the K sound with short vowels only? Or are you going to read the K sound with short vowels but in words? Or maybe you choose to mix the sounds and words together when you achieve one of the activities from the list below. For that, the next step is choose the activity that you like it to show your work. You can choose Leaping Frog game, or Abracadabra spell, or Fortune Teller game. Pause the video to read the resources you needed for each game. The evidence will be submit a video of one of the chosen activity on the top on the seesaw. And for now, enjoy listening to the K sound with short vowels song.
الكاف مع الفتحة ك ك ك ك ك. الكاف مع الضمة كو 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 كو. الكاف مع الكسرة كي 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 كي. والكاف مع الساكن ك ك ك ك. الكاف المفتوحة كلب ك ك ك كلب. الكاف المضمومة كرة كو 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 كرة. الكاف المكسورة كتاب كي 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 كتاب. كاف ساكنة مكتبة ك ك ك مكتبة.
I hope you enjoyed the song, my dears. And let me remind you with our target for today. Read the K sound with short vowels. Do it. I can recognize the short vowels. Use it. I can say the K sound with short vowels. On it, I can read the K sound with short vowels in words. I'm sure that you still remember your short vowels. If I say Fatha, you will say the sound of A. Well done. أحسنتم. And if I say Kasra, you will say the sound of I. Well done. أحسنتم. If I say Dhamma, you will say the sound of U. Well done. أحسنتم. Let's add our short vowels to the K sound. K with Fatha, K. Well done. أحسنتم. Next, K with Kasra, Ki. Well done. أحسنتم. And lastly, K with Dhamma, Ku. Well done. أحسنتم. It's time for level 1 activities. If you choose Leapy Frog game, so pause the video and write the K sound with short vowels 2 times on pieces of paper, or write them with a chalk or marker on the floor. Jump over the sound, say it aloud. Remember to take a video and share it in the seesaw. Otherwise, you can skip that game and go for Abracadabra spell level 1. Here is it. We are in Abracadabra spell level 1. You are the wizard. Write your spell. My spell is K. But if you choose to work at level 2 or 3, you need to wait and read with Jack in the next activity. Marhaban. Marhaban, Jack. Ready, my lovely students, to read with Jack? Ready, Jack? First one. Kalb. My lovely students. Kalb. Kalb. Well done. أحسنتم. Next, Jack. Kitab. My lovely students. Kitab. Kitab. Well done. أحسنتم. And lastly, Jack. Kurah. Well done, Jack. You said ku, and then the last two sounds, you can't separate them, r and ha. So, my lovely students, ku plus rah, the word is kurah. Kurah. Well done. أحسنتم. Jack, it's time to go play with kurah. Share it with your kalb. And remember to read kitab before you sleep. مع السلامة, Jack. مع السلامة. If you choose to work at level 2 in your activities for today, so pause the video and in Leapfrog game, write the words that have k sound with short vowels, jump over the word, say it aloud and take a video. But if you choose to work at level 3 in Leapfrog game, this means that you need to mix up between the sounds and words that have k sound with short vowels, jump over them, say them aloud and take a video. If you want to work at level 2 but with another activity, so have a look about Abracadabra level 2. In Abracadabra spell level 2, you need to write the words that have k sound with short vowels. My spell is kitab, kitab, kalb, kura, kalb, kura. Woo! I got kura from my spell. What you will get from your spell? Write your own spell and share it with us in the seesaw. The third level of Abracadabra spell is mixing up between the words and sounds that have k sound with short vowels. My spell is kitab, ka, kalb, kura. Oh, again, I got kura. Do you think that you are going to get kura as me? Share that with me in the seesaw. It's time to discover why Mr. Short was kissing the dog. He was playing a fortune teller game. You can create your own by clicking on the link below the video. Let's now show you how you can play that game in Arabic. Ready, Mr. Short? Choose the number. Okay. 4. 4 in Arabic is arba'a. Arba'a. Okay, so I will say arba'a. Arba'ah. When I stop saying arba'a, I found ka. Kah. Kah stands for kalb. Kalb. And the fortune written for kalb, kiss the dog. So you are going to kiss the dog again, Mr. Short. Okay, so I'm going to share my fortune game with you, my class. Okay, I wrote the numbers on the flaps. Then inside I wrote the sounds. Under each sound you can write the word stands for that sounds. As an example, ki for kitab, ka for kalb, and so on. Then the fortune written on the edges of all around the game. So I hope now You can create your own fortune and share it with me in the seesaw. If you want to work at level 3 and you are from those of you who would like to try a new game, so you can create your own fortune teller game by clicking on the link below the video. After you fold the paper, label each flap with a number. Then, write the Kah sound with short vowels inside. Next, write the words under the letter sound. And lastly, next to the words, write the fortunes. Enjoy playing the game and remember to share it with us in the seesaw. And finally, if you choose to go to the gold and be the star of the Arabic class for today, you can do the optional writing challenge activity. The challenge writing activity for today is to write a descriptive sentence using big. Do you know what is big in Arabic? I can hear you, my stars. Yes, it's كبير. كبير. Well done. أحسنتم. In my turn, I'm going to choose one of the following items to describe it with big. I'll choose chair, كرسي, to say the chair is big. In Arabic, كرسي, كبير, كرسي, كبير. Your turn. Choose any of the pictures from the top and describe it using كبير, big. Today we were learning about Kah sound with short vowels. We read it as well as in words. I hope you enjoyed your Arabic lesson for today. شكرا لكم الصف الأول. مع السلامة.